What's up guys? Steven Condon here, the founder of Boss Man Brand, and today I want to introduce you to my signature product, Jelly Beard Oil. Just like your normal beard oil, on steroids. Reason being, I increase the viscosity just enough to trap that moisture onto your hair and last all day and outperform your normal thin beard oil. But I did make it thin enough just to get down to your pores and moisturize that skin and create that really thick base. Check out the viscosity here. Just like jelly, baby. So you take it like normal beard oil, rub it up in your hands, warm it up, get it on your beard, down to your pores, and if you got a brush or comb it right in. Voila! It's only $14.95. You can get on bossmanbrand.com. You get 4 ounces, and we're even available on Amazon Prime. Peace, guys.